This is garbage. There's no way I'm cutting 5 pounds with dull knives. Can't put this off any longer. Okay, let's deal with these knives. Need some sharpening. Here's a manly man skill for the day. I like this. It's pretty simple. It's the Landsky one. If you're good, you can use just a stone, but for guys like me, this is what works. And there's no knife sharpener open at this hour, and the job's got to be done, so let's get to it. It's got a couple angles here. This blade's at 20, and you can kind of tell. I'll show you that in a sec. This one's at 25. Only need the 2 grits for a touch-up here, but if you got a bunch of chunks taken out of it, go from coarse to fine. You just want these little bars flat. You can also read the instructions, they're kind of useful. Good enough. So you have to check your edge geometry. You just stick this guy in the slot here, and it makes a nice little triangle. And you look, hopefully this comes in fairly clear, but you can, with your own eyes, you can kind of see the how the edge comes together, and by adjusting either flattening or steepening, you can kind of line it up to the base grind that's on there already, and you just go from there. So some typical kitchen knives are kind of like 25 to 20 degrees. The 17 on here is more like razor blades and things like that. Just move it up on these bigger knives. Okay, we're on to the finishing stone here. This is 1000 grit or 1500 or something like that. It's ceramic. It's going to take that slight serrated edge and make those serrations even smaller, and that's really what's doing the cutting. It's not a perfect point. It's kind of like a hacksaw, but under a microscope, they're much tighter, the teeth. And you're just trying to do even strokes. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah, nice and sharp. No problem. Totally worth the 5 minutes. A lot of fat in this guy. You're not actually cutting meat. minus 30 out here, so I might have left these outside a little bit too long to cool off. But we're still able to cut them. So there you have it. 5 minutes, totally worth the effort.